Urban Splash is a British company which regenerates decaying industrial warehouses, mills, Victorian terraced houses and other buildings. The company has its head office in Castlefield, Manchester, but works across the United Kingdom. The company has won 316 awards to date for its work in transforming these schemes, 46 of which have been awarded by the RIBA. This is the most any developer has received from the institute. It is currently shortlisted for more awards, including 3 from the Daily Telegraph British Homes Awards. In September 2012, the company reported pre-tax losses of £9.3 million and debts of £234.4 million for the previous year. In 2014, Urban Splash was refinanced and restructured.